Hello, I would like to introduce you to the charity organization All Kinds of Minds. In searching for a non-profitable charity organization for my speech topic, I ran across a website for All Kinds of Minds. They are trying to launch a learning revolution. They believe that the children of America are not being properly taught, and the evidence is everywhere in their end-of-year testing, SAT scores that college-bound students take after finishing high school. All of these scores are not where they should be. We are a very developed nation, and we have the ability to give all children equal opportunities to succeed in this country. And unfortunately, we are not doing that. This company is looking at all of the different research to try to look at why and how to educate the children that are falling through the cracks of our system. Reasons that children can be unsuccessful in school include poor organizational or study skills. These skills can be taught, and depending on what kind of learner the child is, will depend on what kind of things they need to be taught. So this is part of the problem that all children aren't succeeding because there are different answers to different problems. So those things can be addressed. Lack of motivation, well, this definitely can be addressed. There are lots and lots of reasons that students might not be properly motivated to succeed in school. A couple of those that are very easily accessible to fix are student hunger and student lack of sleep. Those issues can definitely be addressed. It would require the school working with the parents, the families, but there definitely could be an intervention involved that could help those children as well. Some students have poor reading comprehension or math skills. These also can be helped. It depends on what kind of learning style the student may have, but there are certainly different ways to go about teaching the same material. All children are capable of learning the material. They just may not be able to use the same techniques to do so. Another issue can be low self-esteem or lack of social skills. Autism has been a very large problem in our society. It's really becoming an issue. And a large part of that problem with autism is the social aspects of it. And these things can be detrimental to children. It's very hard to concentrate on your studies when you're very unprepared for dealing with your peers. And there are certainly ways to learn how to deal with these things. If you see that there's a problem, there are ways to teach ways of dealing with it. There's an excellent article that goes through these different reasons for being unsuccessful at sweet101.com/article/why children fail in school. I urge you to look at it. It's a very interesting website and an article that gives you lots of information on those different topics. One thing that this organization does is they believe that teachers are leaders. Teachers are going to be the ones that help all of these children to succeed. All Kinds of Minds translates all of the recent scientific data about how students learn, the differences in students. Because all students have different strengths and weaknesses, and those strengths and weaknesses can all be used to help those students learn, even the weaknesses, if you know where they're at. So they use this research that's done in a scientific clinical environment, and they use it to decide how teachers need to go about teaching students. So All Kinds of Minds has developed a book, which is written by Mary Barringer. It's called Schools for All Kinds of Minds. And they also have their website, which is allkindsofminds.org. And they actually offer free modules for teachers to study that will actually teach the teachers how to teach. It really teaches the teachers how to have a framework of education that applies to all children, not just some. It is a wonderful, wonderful organization, and as a teaching major, I am very interested in it. I've already bought the book, and I've looked at their website, and I am very, very impressed with it. Buying their book, profits of the book, do go to help the organization and as well as you can make direct donations through the website or by the mail. So if you'll just check out their website, and allkindsofminds.org, and if you can help, please do. If not, please pass on the information. It is very helpful to all teachers and parents. Thank you.